I'm going to show you how to remove the faucet when it's all rusted out and you cannot remove it. So I'm going to show you closer. So usually you have here in the thread the nut. Sometimes it's plastic, sometimes it's metal. So in this case, this is all rusted out and is unusable. So in order to do that, we're going to use the grinder, the angle grinder. We're going to cut it slowly, so that way we don't produce any damage anywhere. So now, after we do that, we're going to be able to remove it easily, and then we are going to install the new one. Always use eye protector, ear protector, so that way you don't get damage. Now, as you can see, we remove everything. Now we have to clean up. All right, as you can see, we have to put this like that, and we should be good. So now, yes, we're going to put the delta in the front. We just unscrew it from here. Now we have to put this here. Now we have to spin it. Now we have to adjust it with this, and we should be good. All right, as you can see here, works. These two. I have to keep this open. There we go. We have no leaks, nothing at all here, so everything is good.